In this video, we're going to do a multiplication word problem. And the multiplication is a 2 by 2 digit number. So if we have a problem like this that says Tasha had 52 boxes of toys. Each box had 76 toys. How many toys did she have? So you have to imagine a box with 76 toys in them. But there's 52 of them. So you would have to figure out how to get the total number of toys. And to do that, because there's 52 boxes, each one has 76 toys in them, you would multiply these two numbers together. Okay? So to find the answer, we multiply 52 times 76. So we rewrite the sentence or the equation like this so that we could calculate it. So the first step is to multiply this 6 by 2 and then by 5 as shown with the arrows. So let's see how the arrows look. So here's the first arrow, 6 times 2. And we're going to put the answer right here, right under this 6, because that's the place value we're in right now. So 6 times 2 is 12. Remember to carry the 1. So now we multiply the 6 by the 5, how it says here. So 6 times 5 is 30, but then we add this 1 that we carried, right? So 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So we put that here beside the 2. Now let's do the next step, okay? So we'll bring down what we have so far. If you were doing this by hand, you wouldn't do it this way. It's just that I want to show you all the steps. So now we multiply this 7 by 2 and then by 5, as shown with the arrows. Make sure to line up the multiplication as shown with the place value, and I'll show you in a second. So we're multiplying this place value now. So the first number that we calculate, 7 times 2, we're going to put it right here. Line them up with this place value. Okay, so let's look at the arrows. So 7 times 2 is 14. Remember to carry the 1. So we're going to carry the 1 to here, right? So now we look at the arrow and we do this multiplication. 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35, but then you add 1, so it becomes 36. So you put 36 here. Now we just add everything together to get the final answer. So 2 plus nothing is 2. And if you feel comfortable, more comfortable, just put a 0 here if it makes you feel better, but it makes no difference. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then 3 plus nothing is 3. And that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Anyone can do this. You might just need one more explanation to understand it. As well, I have links in the video in the description below to other videos of mine that are like this, and you can check those out if you need more practice. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for listening.